basically be putting some pulls on all of the cabinet doors, and we're going to be putting some knobs on all of the drawers. So let's go over the tools here. Basically, we got our drill with the Phillips tip on it, magnetic Phillips tip. This is our drill bit here. This is 1/8" drill bit. Then what we have here is a measuring tape. These are jigs, basically templates, jigs. These are going to go on there like so, and then it tells you where you want everything, where all the holes are going to go. We'll go over that in a minute. Then these are going to be the pulls. It's going to go like on so, and these are the knobs. These are going to go right there. Okay, everybody? Let's rock. Now, just typically, just so I can go over this. Oh, can't forget the pencil. So, now these, when you buy these packets, these contractor packets, they're going to come with this screw, or they're going to come with this screw. Okay? How you determine which one you're going to use is you look at the drawer thickness right here. So, if you see, this screw leaves us just enough to work. This one is too big. Obviously, we can't use it. You'd have to put washers back here, bolts or nuts or something like that. If you ever go into a kitchen and you see someone has a bunch of washers and nuts and bolts back there, that's because A, they didn't have the right product. B, they just winged it. Sometimes it's okay, but I recommend not winging it. I recommend just always using what you need to use. So we're not going to use the long ones. We're going to use all these short ones. I went ahead and checked everything. See here? Short ones. Perfect. Bam. Okay, now we're going to start with going through, putting all our holes. You can do it two ways. See this, how it hooks? Hooks on there like that. You can either just go just like this, take your boom, boom, and screw it in, or you can take your pencil, make a mark, verify that's where you want it, double check that your spread is the right spread. See that? Lines up perfect, lines up good. And you also want to double check that your head of your screw isn't going to hit any of this. So you want to be back far enough to not hit this part here. And that looks like that's good placement. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and screw them. Okay, start that there, there. I'll go ahead and finish it off. See that? See that? Bam. All right, let's continue. So go over here. Got that, guys? What I was just saying, and I was whispering it, I didn't know why. But anyways, when you're screwing through here, watch your finger if you're drilling through there. And also, you don't want to punch through too hard, because then you'll damage that back end. You can go through nice and easy. Nice and easy. Make sure your template is pressed down there and pressed down on the side there, and your holes are good. Wait, all your holes line up evenly. Good. There's two right here. Okay. Nice and easy. See that, everybody? Nice and easy. Watch your fingers. Good, good. Make sure we're all the way through here. No, let's continue. Through there. There. And there. All right. See, did we get them all? Boom, boom, boom. And there, 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 and there. Okay. That's great. That's for all of our pulls. Now, let's do our knobs. Okay, our knobs, basically, this is going to be our knob. And this template, what you do is you measure center of your drawer. So these drawers, about 14 1/4. So we'll make that 7 1/8. Double check. Perfect. 14 1/8. Then you see there's a line right here, center. See that line center? There's one there. And there's also a line center right here. It might be hard for you to see it, but there's one there. They come factory with the center line. You take that line, you line that up with your center line on your drawer. You look at your hole and you see your placement. Do you like it? That looks good. Center of the drawer. On the inside, it's going to come out. No, there's nothing in the way. Looks good. We'll proceed to drill. Center hole only. Okay? That. I already marked all my center marks, so I'll just continue on here. Bam. Let's rock over here. Center mark. Bam. Center mark. Good. Great. Boom, boom. Okay, got my center mark. All right, this is how we do it. CoKnowPro. Typically, people would have just showed you one door, one drawer, how to do it, and you're done. That's cool, but I'm trying to give people a sense of what it takes to do it all. So see, if you notice, I'm doing this all in one shoot. I'm not editing, I'm not cutting, I'm just getting it handled. That's how we do it, everybody. All right, here we go. Remember what I said? Don't punch through too hard. You don't want to damage that inside there. See how you can barely see the hole? That's what you want. You don't want it to be broken. Okay. Check all my drawers. We're all good. None hiding from me. Great. Take these. So now I'm gonna use this guy. So what I like to do first is go through, clean up your backside. Go ahead and feed all those through like that. I like to press one in like that and keep one like that. Okay, like so. That. And then we'll put this one right there. See, no matter what, sometimes when you're drilling through, it's going to do that to the paint. That's okay. We'll touch up the paint. Okay, like so. Okay, like so. this, we have all our hardware ready to go. A couple more here. In there. So. Another one there, there, bam, bam. Three. That's it. No more of those. Now, take this. What I like to do is start, let's say, the bottom. See that? Start on the bottom. Get it started. See, now it's started. You push in and out, it's started. Then, I like to take in the top, do the same. And now we're connected on both. So then, go to the back side here. I push in from the back, hold it. Just make it tight. See that? That's what we want. Screwing in just how it's tight. You don't want to strip those screws, and if you go too tight, you'll break the screw on the inside there, and then it's not going to be good. Okay. This one here. See how the bottom one's out and that one's in, so it's not in our way. Tighten that in a little bit. Now we push this one out. Make sure that lines up good. If your template is good, then everything should line up great. Boom. Boom. Bam. Slip two down here. Top. Like that. Like that. Pretty self-explanatory, but what I like to do is put my finger on the back, hold it from spinning like that. See if you don't hold it, it'll spin. Hold it from spinning, screw it in until it's tight like that. Next one, pop that out, put your finger in there, screw it in like that. This is good. What the heck? Okay. All right, get them rolling. Just keep it moving. Okay. On there. And spread our knobs out. do that. Okay, finger on the back. Boom, boom. A little tighten. Tighten. Boom. Now these are really old cabinets. These cabinets were built, you know, when this building was built, probably in the 60s, maybe even older than that, but it looks about 60s era. But anyways, these cabinets, they needed a lot of work, and they still need some work. They're gonna need I'm gonna have to put some new door stops. See that old damaged door stops? I'll put some new door stops on there. That'll be another video. Then we're gonna clean it up. I'm gonna make sure everything closes proper. Gonna have to sand these, you know, drawers to make them more operable, clean all this up, pop in these nails on the inside here. You know, we'll dial all these in, but right now our goal is to get the hardware in, make sure they're looking great. So here we go, got that in. Boom, boom, good. That. Like that. Okay, like that. That. See? Looks great. Move to here. Oh yeah, CoKnowPro. We love doing these kinds of little videos for everybody. We want to empower everybody. Make sure everyone feels confident in what they're doing. Because we care about everybody. We want them to be happy and confident, feel proud with what they do. So that's why we like to do these videos. It's not just to show how amazing we are. It's to show how amazing we all can be. Yep. And that's what I hope these videos, I hope you guys, you know, everybody loves these videos like I love shooting them. Like I say, this is for you all out there, all you beautiful people. I appreciate you all my subscribers and everyone giving me views and checking me out. I really value all of you very much. That one in there, like that. We're almost there, everybody. A couple more to do. Oh, see how that one's not lining up that well. Sometimes manufacturer, they'll be off just a hair. So that's why I don't tighten them all the way first. You keep them loose. So then, make sure we can lock in tight right there. I got it just where I want it. Line it up good. Screw it down tight. There we go. Perfect. Go back through. Tighten those down. Tighten those down. Those down. All right. See that right there? That's what happens when you screw through too hard, but I was even paying attention and it still does that. So I'll go back through and fill that in with a little wood putty and touch up, paint that. But like I say, we still have some work to do on these cabinets anyways. So I just want to get all that hardware in. Do I have it all? I believe so. That's how we do it. CoKnowPro. I appreciate you all. Please give us some subscribe to us. Give us some comments. Thumbs up. We love the thumbs up. And we appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching our videos and hope to keep them coming. CoKnowPro. Have a good one. Bye-bye.